The 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, tow hitch, navigation system, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.